Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Peach Johana was born on October 13, 1981 in Tegucigalpa, Honduras. She is currently 40 years old. Her astrological sign is Libra. Peach Johana stands 5 feet 4 inches tall or 162 centimeters, body type, large. She has a beautiful dark brown hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, unknown. Nationality, Honduran. Peach Johana was born and raised in Honduras. She is based in New York, United States. Peach Johana started her modeling career in 2014. She has risen to fame through her official Instagram account, where she has amassed more than 514,000 followers who can't stop admiring her alluring photos and clips. Peach Johana is currently signed by Mystere Vision LLC, MJ Curve. She has worked with top clothing brands like Shine Curve, Boutique 115, American Eagle, Fashion Nova Curve, Kelly's Closet, Dolls Kill, Cozy Earth Bedding, Yoins Plus, Flat Tummy C.O, Urban Millennials, It's Booty Full Clothing, and many more. She is a brand ambassador for Shine Curve and Fashion Nova Curve.